Alright everyone, we just came back to install the furnace coil and the return, all that fun stuff. Get another section of duct up, insulate it all. Let me show you guys. And then we'll be back to set the unit. And then all the utilities. Didn't do that one. Didn't do this one, but we're running all new concentrics for all three of them, including ours. So yeah, stay tuned.